Welcome to your favorite YouTube channel. Right in this video, I'll be teaching you how to be earning free USDT from this amazing site. So watch me to the very end to know vivid guide on how to make your claim, how to make instant withdrawal from this site by inputting your email address, your password, confirm your password, and get yourself registered and stand a chance of any daily benefit from this amazing site. So the first step which I'll be teaching is how to make invite. Hit up on invite. By hitting up on invite, all you have to do is to copy the invitation link, drop it on the description of the video, click on it, and build up a team. So by viewing the team here, you have some benefit by making invite into this site. You know your total invite which you have made and your valid invite people number and the team report. As you can see, in your level 1 you'll be having your commission, your level 2 you'll be having your commission, in your level 3 you'll be having your commission. So share your referral link to your Facebook, Twitter, X-Handle, and other social media platforms. So I will show you how to quantify and also how to upgrade VIP by hitting up on quantification. By hitting up on quantification, just know that the VIP starts from VIP 1 down to your highest VIP, which is VIP 10. So to unlock VIP, to upgrade your VIP level, you hit up on click to unlock, hit up on confirm. By hitting up on confirm, these are all network which you can make in making deposit or retire to this side. Your BIP20 USDT, your TRS 20, and the TRS, your BNB, and your BIP20 USDT, which I will be making use of BIP20 asset. By hitting up on BIP20 asset, you copy your BIP20 wallet address, drop your exchange, make your minimum recharge into this site, and stand a chance of earning and purchasing a boat. After making the recharge, hit up on recharge complete. Then the amount which you make recharge will automatically deposited to your dashboard. And before making any recharge, do well to make your personal yourself. I'm not a financial expert to give you financial guide. So after then, you will stand a chance of making quantifier daily on this site. So hit up on quantifier, and remember you can make only one time quantifier on this platform per day. By making this quantifier, start quantification and start earning your daily. As you can see, I've earned this amount of 3.00 USDT, and I will show you how to make withdrawal. Hit up on me. Once you hit up on me here, then you hit up on some basis. As you can see, the amount, my total asset has increased to 15. It was initially 12 USDT, and I'll show you how to make withdrawal. So guys, stay tuned as I show you how to make withdrawal. Hit up on withdrawal. Once you hit up on withdrawal, we are making use of BIP20 USDT wallet address. So let's head up to copy the BIP20 USDT wallet address. Hit up on BIP20 USDT, copy it, then drag this arrow. Once you copy it, come back to the site. Once you come back to the site, you are going to long press the wallet address here. Once you long press and paste, enter the amount which is 3.00 USDT, then enter your withdrawal password. Once you enter your withdrawal password, then we are going to confirm the payment straight up to our wallet to be sure that the platform is really unique and amazing. So once you confirm it, hit up on withdrawal. Once you hit up on withdrawal, guys, the amount will be credited straight up to your wallet. So we are going to confirm the payment here. So wow guys, can see this is the evidence, and the payment and the platform is really unique and amazing. Thank you for staying with us. Stay tuned for the next video coming your way.